Namaste students. In our previous class, we have learned about the assembly language and machine language. Machine language uses zeros and ones for the computer understanding. Assembly language uses mnemonic codes for the computer understanding. So they are also known as a low level languages. Now we are going to see about the high level languages. The high level languages is otherwise known as a third generation. It includes the features like simple, user friendly and machine dependent. It is simple and easy to understand. It is user friendly, which is comfortable to the user. It is totally a machine dependent. Because of the above feature, it is easy to learn and uses the computer languages. Large number of people started writing the computer languages using these languages. So it is also known as a high level languages. The language is similar to the English language. For example, C, C++, Java, etc. This language is needed to be translated into the machine language using the translator program. It includes two translator program, interpreter, compiler. The high level language includes two translator program, interpreter and compiler. The first one is the interpreter. It is used to convert a high level language to the machine language. High level language to the machine language. It translates line by line. It translates line by line. It executes the instructions, repeat the procedure for the remaining instructions until the instruction is executed. It translates line by line and it executes the instruction. It repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. And the next one is the it converted from not stored, so it is generated at the time of execution. It converted from is not stored, so it is generated at a time of execution. It includes the advantage of preferred for beginners. It includes the disadvantage, which is it is slow in execution speed. It is slow in execution speed. The converted form is not stored, so it is generated at the time of execution only. It includes the advantage, which is preferred for the beginners. It includes the disadvantage, which is slow in execution speed. The next one is the compiler. It is also used to convert the high level language to the machine language. It translates whole program by once. It translates whole program by once. It generates the object code with errors. It generates the object code with errors. It has the advantage execution is very fast. Execution is very fast when compared to the interpreter. So in our today's class, we learn about the high level languages. It includes the two translator program, interpreter and compiler. Interpreter translates the by line. It executes the instructions. Compiler translates the whole program by once. It generates the object code with errors. The interpreter has the advantage preferred for beginners. The compiler have the advantage execution is very fast. The interpreter have the disadvantage execution is slow when compared to the compiler. Everyone understands, students? Thank you.